How to enable or disable manually approved tags on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable manually approved tags on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the story lines in top corner, and here you will find settings and then click this one, privacy, and then just click tags, and here you'll find it, manual approve tags, and if you want to enable just click on it and turn on, and you can disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.